So the problem is that thousands of people are going to fall for that. No matter how many of these videos I make and warn you about it, no matter how many times I say it's a scam, it always will be a scam. You don't get something for nothing. You don't get something for nothing. People are going to fall for it. It's called confidence scam. And as a result, millions of dollars worth of ADA and other cryptocurrencies will be stolen. This is the world we're heading towards because of generative AI. It's one of the dark sides and unintended consequences, but scammers are already doing this. The email that I saw looks like it was written by ChatGPT.
Everywhere is screaming AI. It's interesting how people get super excited about these things. This latest technology is just like an adorable newborn baby who everyone wants to hold and touch. The AI hype train has truly left the station, heading towards the embrace of interested people. But what happens if you add AI hype to crypto hype? Well, that's a hype train that goes from steam power locomotive to a straight up bullet train. Do you know what's even more exciting? It's when AI hype collides with Cardano ADA. To a reasonable extent, AI has the potential to fundamentally change the way crypto universe works, and could solve a lot of problems that have caused the sector to crash so badly in the past. Over the last few months, artificial intelligence has quite the buzz across various industries. With its help, it has been much easier for humans to complete and sort out typically time-consuming tasks. And that's a heavenly feeling. Numerous people have employed it severally to carry out all forms of tasks, and as expected, crypto market experts are included. You get the gist, right? But hear this. Recently, market experts consulted ChatGPT on the predictions of which coin will likely give investors at least 50x their gains before the end of 2023. As expected, it was not a direct answer, but various fundamentals of coins were highlighted. As an innovation adopted in virtually every industry, the financial sector, particularly the crypto market, has also integrated AI. These features have been incorporated into the market to help investors in several ways, including price predictions, personalized investment advice, market analysis, and automated trading. Although ChatGPT doesn't give trading advice, it does make predictions by analyzing features presented to it. Despite its ups and downs, crypto has become a serious player in the world economy. Some investors are pouring their entire portfolios into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and many are confident that the crypto market will bounce back stronger than ever. But a mix of AI and crypto? There is untapped potential, and we are only just beginning to see it be put to use. It could transform both industries. However, as we all know, cryptocurrency doesn't work like a traditional financial system, and it is volatile and prone to wild swings. We have seen more than one coin fold under the pressure of economic downturn. Many lament the lack of regulation, but crypto was born out of the 2008 recession's greed and a desire to move away from the big banks. So what are now the problems? Fraud is rampant, crypto hackers are rife, and there's no redress. Nearly $2 billion of crypto was stolen last year, and many would never see that money return. Above all, crypto is developing an image problem when it comes to investors losing their money. AI could be the answer it's looking for to tighten compliance without full regulation. The technology's strength lies in pattern recognition. Crypto's ethos around decentralizing money is admirable, but currently flawed in execution. So here's why we could see the beginning of a beautiful friendship forming. A few months ago, the crypto analytics platform Finbold asked the ChatGPT chatbot to share expectations concerning the price movements of Bitcoin in 2023 and towards its end, using the indicators such as historical data, price chart patterns, and technical analysis gauges. Interestingly, ChatGPT acknowledged that it is impossible to predict the exact price of Bitcoin by the end of 2023, as the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and unpredictable. But it did present bullish expectations of Bitcoin, citing historical data, charts, and gauges. Quote, however, based on the chat pattern, gauges, and previous data available, it is likely that Bitcoin will trade within a range of 50,000 to 100,000 by the end of 2023. Now, looking at the bright side, these projections of the AI-powered platform are in sync with predictions of Bitcoin enthusiasts who believe that the flagship decentralized finance asset is well on its way towards wider adoption and an increased price in 2023. When it comes to longer-term predictions, for example, by 2030, ChatGPT didn't offer any specific numbers, citing high market volatility and government regulations, but admitted that Bitcoin will likely become more widely accepted and its value will continue to rise. And as you know how it goes, if Bitcoin is in a favorable state, other cryptocurrencies would pick up. When this happens, Cardano ADA would give its investors their dreamy gains. The bearish sentiment surrounding Cardano has worried long-term investors who have stuck by the project throughout the crypto winter of 2022. And as noted by CoinGecko, the ADA price is now 88% below September's 2021 all-time high, and it doesn't look like it's returning to this all-time high anytime soon. But is there any hope for Cardano in the months ahead? Again, according to ChatGPT, Cardano's price could rise to approximately 75 cents by the end of the year, and if this happens, it would represent a 106 increase from the current token price. ChatGPT went ahead to highlight several factors that could contribute to the growth of Cardano. These include technological advancements, increased adoption, regulatory clarity, market sentiment, and significant partnerships, notably governments and large corporations. However, ChatGPT also noted that several elements could impact Cardano negatively in the future. The most pressing are regulatory challenges and competition in the blockchain sector, the latter of which is already posing an issue for Cardano. Ultimately, it would be interesting to see if ChatGPT's projected price increase would take place and if investors will be able to enjoy a glimmer of relief amid an otherwise tumultuous year. Amid these heightened expectations, is the Cardano founder interested in banking on predictions from a chatbot? Well, who knows? He might not be in support. 3 months ago, Charles Hoskinson, the co-founder of the blockchain engineering company Input Output Global and the blockchain platform Cardano, shared a Twitter thread claiming that crypto Twitter and the artificial intelligence generated crypto media content didn't report on Cardano's Twitter space. He posted his concerns, raising questions if they completely forgot to report on the 2-hour governance Twitter space discussing Cardano. He tweeted, "Remember, crypto Twitter and the AI generated crypto media content somehow forgot to report on the 2-hour governance Twitter space discussing Cardano. It's almost as if the incentive is to promote division, controversy, and drama instead of constructive stuff." In addition, he reiterated that the tendency of the new agents not to be into the Cardano Twitter seems as if the incentive is to promote division, controversy, and drama instead of constructive stuff. Significantly, the crypto community actively responded to the Cardano founder's tweet with multiple comments. But is this an indication that Hoskinson might be uncomfortable with AI? Well, maybe not. Cardano is a major blockchain network with a growing number of decentralized applications building on it. While ChatGPT and the tech underpinning it is still relatively new, Cardano-affiliated projects like SingularityNet are already paving the way to develop new solutions that can provide real-world use cases. With this, Cardano is well positioned as a technology to harbor any form of innovation underpinning ChatGPT tech. While many of its core functionalities are still being developed, the protocol, its founder, and its community are committed to diversity, and with the new clamor for AI integration, we're bound to see many more unique innovations shortly. During a recent AMA, Hoskinson was asked about using blockchain technology to authenticate visual content. In response, he acknowledged that a verification system is needed. This implies that he is deeply interested in this aspect. He further expressed that within the next 12 to 24 months, rapid advances in AI technology will see deepfake videos and audio indistinguishable from real life. With that will come a gradual shift from the customary seeing is believing attitude currently prevalent to one that assuming everything is fake. Also, he addressed a propagandized use of the technology that involves nation-states producing and distributing deepfakes for the instruments of polarization. He suggested that the way to combat this is to use immutable properties of blockchains to store a verifiable chain of evidence from image capture to upload, which is what he called generative AI-proof watermarking.
So the only way to get out of it is to have verified information, verified content. So at the time of creation, you need to create an NFT and sign it and have some chain of evidence that that was created on a legitimate device.
For the year, Cardano was up nearly 50%, and based on its strong recent growth, it could soar even higher. One particular area of growth is non-fungible tokens, where Cardano has suddenly emerged as one of the top 3 blockchains. In 2020, Cardano ranked as the top blockchain by overall development activity, a potential sign of good things to come. More importantly, Cardano is finally turning things around in decentralized finance, which is one of the most important sectors of the blockchain world. DeFi is the one catalyst that could propel Cardano much higher. Total value locked, a key metric used to evaluate DeFi strength, is now at a 10-month high. All in all, these are impressive records, and with AI in the mix, things could get much better. So cheers to good things to come. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.